So I'm putting this together. No tools. Watch for pinch points. But my problem was that, you see, adjusting from a twin to a king for this bed. Okay, it tells you to pull it out. Obviously, I have problems unless I actually read the words, but okay, it says on the frame, twin, and let me just put this. Okay, back, see? Well, this button is down and this is twin. And this is full. This is A. And on the other side, you see B, king, queen. Okay? So that's just twin and full. I'm guessing. Yeah. Anyways, you press this button and you will pull here. Just the top one, even though it looks like this. I was pulling the whole thing. Maybe I'm the idiot, but if anyone else needs that information, you press this button and you pull this top one. As you can see, if you keep pulling, it opens up and full. Yay. Okay, now we flip it over because I want a king, and we press this button. Okay, press this button and you will pull this one. Press this, pull this on the B side for a king. Okay, so press it all the way in. And I use two hands to do it. No longer in that, and it pops into the queen. Again, I want it to be a king, so I press it again, all the way in. I don't know why it was such a struggle for me, but I got it out of the queen, and now I pull it until king. Voila. And then you do the other two like that also.